It seems like Briarcrest Drive is always flooded with cars, no matter the time of day. Why TxDOT needed to expand its lanes and beef up the road's features.
Traffic in Bryan has really grown, and where you used to go somewhere in 15 minutes, now it takes you a little bit longer.
But all the cones and construction aren't ideal driving conditions for people like Carol constantly passing through.
Since the construction, it's been hectic. I'm sort of like impatient. I've been wondering what's taking them so long.
While some drivers haven't noticed many changes so far, they will notice something different when they turn left.
What TxDOT is doing is they are trying to get away from the green ball arrows that allow for the left turns. That can be confusing to drivers. 7
intersections along Briarcrest are getting signal upgrades, and 4 of those, including the one behind me, will be yellow flashing arrow signals, the new standard in single turn lane intersections. Right now, the only yellow flashing arrow signal in the Brazos Valley is at 2818 and George Bush. But TxDOT's goal is to eventually unify all the traffic signals in the state.
These new flashing yellow signal studies have shown that the arrow left turn signal reduces traffic crashes.
But drivers like Carol feel it might at first throw drivers off.
Yeah, I think it might be a little bit confusing because people drive crazy anyway.
Until they get used to the new norm. Jenny Walsh, KAGS HD News.